Whenever we think about World War III, one point come on our mind, that is South China Sea, where China and USA directly confront to each other. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is South China Sea. Friends, firstly let's know about the location of the South China Sea. It is in the south of China, north and south and east of the Vietnam, north of the Brunei Island, west of the Philippines, and its neighboring and you can say touching states are China, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Philippines, and Taiwan. Now let's talk the what are the claims of China over this South China Sea. So then first, China claims the complete territory of the South China Sea as a part of China, and they linked it with some historical fact. And China, whenever USA sent any aircraft carrier, any naval ships, then China directly warned the USA about that, and China do not follow the international maritime laws over this South China Sea, and that is also somehow the reason of the dispute. Secondly, let's talk the USA stance over this dispute. Then USA always tell that we are conducting military exercise and we are entering in South China Sea as with the full international law, and we follow the international maritime law, and we will make a free international maritime security chain. Now, if I talk about the main reason for the dispute, then first is there are some islands where many countries claims together, including China. One island is Parcel Island, where China, Taiwan, and Philippines claims, and some other two or three island is present where China, including Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia and Philippines, also claims at the same time. Now if some other dispute there is undefined geographical scope of the South China Sea, and third is also that I previously comment about China that they do not follow the international laws, and that's the reason of the South China Sea dispute. If I talk about the India's stand over this dispute, then India is not a party of the South China Sea dispute. India has presence in South China Sea, as India has deployed its navy in with the Vietnam forces, but it is not for China. It is for India's own economic interest and for the energy security. And India is also part of the Quad, where India tackles somehow China threats in the Indo-Pacific region, and India use its Buddhist legacy to make more and more friendly to the South China Sea Asian group. Friends, in my conclusion, as China do not follow the international laws over the South China Sea, so China should understand the maritime laws and should follow, because it can be the region of the World War III next. And USA should also USA is doing good over there, because there should be one person who can also make free that uh, trade route for every country, and Quad can play better role over this dispute. Thank you.